In today's session, we are going to learn about long vowel O sound words. So, when two vowels comes together, the first vowel will do the talking and the second vowel will remain silent. As look here, I have given few examples. These are the four different combinations where we can hear O sound in all the words. So, this long vowel O sound can be seen when O and E comes in between the consonant. OE as in bone. OE comes together along with one consonant. Toe. O and W comes together and gives one sound as we see in slow. Now, OA comes together and it gives one single sound as we see in coat. Let me see this deeply. The first combination is O and E along with the consonants. In between this O and E, there will be one consonant. Here are few examples. Cone. So E remains silent and O gives long sound. O. Cone. Bone. Hose. Nose. So it is a time to check the short sound of this O. Short vowel sound O. What is this short vowel sound? Caught. It. Caught. Now it becomes O because there are two vowels, and whenever two vowels walks together, the first vowel will do the talking by saying its name. The next combination of vowel is O and A. There are two vowels here. O and A is here. And what it will do, only the first vowel will give the sound. It will say its letter name as boat, loaf, coach, toast, throat, float. In all these words, we couldn't hear one single A sound. That's what second vowel always remains silent. Now, O and E together without consonants in between these two vowels. T, O, to, O, fo. O and W. Here W acts as a vowel. So O and W gives one sound as slow, flow, glow. Now we have learned four combination of vowels with one single sound. It is a simple trick to remember. So whenever you hear O sound, you always make sure there are two vowels in that word. With that assumption, you can learn and write the spelling. Thank you.